In this video, I'm going to show you how to import bookmarks into Google Chrome quickly and easily. If you've just moved from another browser, restored a backup, or you simply saved your bookmarks as a file, this method will help you bring everything into Chrome in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Chrome tips and step-by-step software guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch your apps. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is Chrome's main menu, and it gives you access to all the important browser settings and tools. After the menu opens, hover over Bookmarks and Lists. A side menu will appear, and from there, click Bookmark Manager. This will take you to Chrome's bookmark settings, where you can manage, organize, and import bookmark files. Now that you're in Bookmark Manager, look again to the top right corner of that page and click the three dots menu inside Bookmark Manager. This menu is separate from the main Chrome menu, so make sure you're clicking the one inside the Bookmark Manager window. From the options that appear, click Import Bookmarks. Chrome will now prompt you to select a file. At this point, choose the bookmark file you want to bring into Chrome. This is usually an HTML file exported from another browser or saved from a previous backup. Once you've selected the file, click Import. Chrome will read the file and add those bookmarks into your browser automatically. Depending on how many bookmarks you have, this may take a few seconds. After the import finishes, you can check your Bookmarks bar or Bookmark Manager to confirm everything was added correctly. You should now see your imported bookmarks available in Chrome, ready for quick access whenever you need them. If you want, you can also organize them into folders afterward to keep everything neat and easy to find. And that's it. You've successfully imported bookmarks into Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.